Hello YouTube, it's me Jojo. So today I'm going to be talking about the trade I took yesterday based on the last video I posted on Monday about gbpusd and gold. So on this trade, we had a sell bias for Monday. Yes, so I was anticipating to go short, alright, which I posted on my last video. If you check it, you see it. So the reason for my short was that price swept previous day high and tapped into our old highs and it caused this reaction. So I was expecting a drop, all right, even if just for a short term, not long, just a short term drop. And that was what I was expecting, which I had my setup on 8 on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. So what I was expecting was I was expecting the break out of this low also for confirmation of the sell. You can see there's a high has been taken out the first week and price started dropping rapidly. So this was a 2 a.m. candle. So this alone shows me that okay, we're bearish. The next candle that we're going to come in is going to be bearish because of how we raided those highs and forced this downtrend to come in place. I was watching this low though, this area, but in terms of where the candle closed, that candle alone triggered my setup for me to go on the 6 o'clock candle opening. I was ready to go short on the trade, which I did, which brought me to my 15-minute entry. Immediately that closing of that 2 a.m. candle, I was expecting to go short from 6 a.m. TP hit, and this was how it went. Within that 7 a.m. we had this expansion due to GBP high impact news that Monday. So for a period of time we had been consolidating. I could have closed this trade, but guess what, guys? Like, there was no power and I had to go and plug my phone elsewhere. The last time I checked it, it was giving me some few cents. I initially wanted to close it, but I said I don't want to be in a situation whereby the trade just immediately I close and just expand. So I held on to my own system. I held on to my system just to see the price. But unfortunately, when I go back my phone, I noticed the price made this reverse and closed, which alone I didn't feel regret. Though I was cool. I did my own. The market did its own. So that was everything that happened for my trade. I was risking 20 pip to get like 30 pip. So I opened 2 positions, which was 10 pip also. So it's a nice game, it's a nice business that I did, nice transaction. We are still hoping for further direction because right now I don't have a clear bias on what to do because we can see we have higher highs. We're still expecting higher price in the coming hour. So on gold, you see gold really expand. Gold expand that day. If you get to the 4 hours, we had that expansion, but all of a sudden went back to consolidation. It's still ranging, yeah. So my expectation for gbpusd, for me to call in a trade, we had a sweep of previous low, and you know what it means now, higher price. But we are in a zone whereby it's very crazy. Market can react from this place. So what I'm going to do is, for today, I'm not going to take any trade. I'm just going to watch this price to close. Right, the closing of the price is going to determine my trade because all we see now, we're still ranging. We're not having clear bias. You see it, we're still ranging. We don't have any clear direction yet. We just know that price will be slow. We need price to break this high, then we can continue for that price. But if that don't happen, I guess we just have to stick to our hands and just wait for further data to be printed out before we could trade. And same as gold, also we are just folding hands. Nothing yet. DXY, yeah, the DXY sell was anticipated. It was selling, we didn't break above. That was why everything is going back to reverse. But for us to get this sell to be confirmed, we just wait for these lows to be taken out, close below this low. Then yeah, We just need it to close because this is the obvious range also. So we're just putting our hands for today, not taking any trade. So without further ado, I'll be letting you guys know the trade. If I have a setup, I'll let you guys know. I'll be posting it more. And look at the trade for that day. You see the sell was this is my Naira account, live Naira account, so my phone account, so it casts. And this was my personal account that I'm growing, my small account that we took loss on that day. That's it. So it's live. So guys, I'll be giving you more updates on my trade. Please like and subscribe for more of my trading journey. God bless.